chilling here, swimming. There's Punz eating her. There's Nana, who's black, and she is already gonna be super black now. Drina, say hi. Hi. Now jump in the water, go. And she pushes down and jumps in. It's crazy. I didn't learn how to swim till I was 3rd grade, and she's already swimming. There's Lau, there's Bubba's. Say hi. Alla and Jerry. She's gonna jump off right now. She's like, do that again. Hey, no, leave that on, Jackson. Hey, Jackson, leave that on.
Oh, no.
Jackson, say hi. Say hi, Jax. Say hi. You want to take it off? No, you have to leave it on. Go, mommy, take it off then. Go, jump in the water. Jump in the water.
Awesome job. Okay, look at me. Stay in the small pool, okay?
There's the small pool right there. Take it off, Jax.
Put it over there. By the chair. Take it off and put it by the chair. Right, this empty. 1, 2.
And that was a total backflip fail. All right, Jax, go in the small pool. Say hi. Say hi. Jax, say hi. Say hi. There's Daisha jumping off of Sharon's shoulders.
No.
No, that's okay.
Wait, Uncle, watch me jump in.
Ooh. All right, go jump in. Go. Okay, Adrina, throw that in the water and you gotta dive for it, okay? Go. Ready? Good job. No.